Welcome to this comprehensive product overview. Today, we are examining the Medico F215, a highly advanced 2-in-1 non-contact forehead infrared thermometer. As we open the packaging, you will notice the precise engineering designed for both rigorous clinical use and everyday home health monitoring. Inside the box, we have the primary unit, a streamlined device built to deliver rapid hygienic temperature, a user manual, and a set of two AAA batteries. The Medico FT15 stands out immediately due to its completely non-contact operational design, ensuring maximum safety and hygiene across multiple users. Powering the device is simple and efficient. It operates on two standard AAA batteries, which provide an impressive battery life of approximately 600 individual readings. The device is designed for longevity. It operates flawlessly in environments ranging from 5 to 40 degrees Celsius, making it adaptable to various climates and indoor settings. Combining clinical-grade accuracy, versatile dual-mode functionality, and an intuitive hygienic design, the Medico FT15 non-contact thermometer is an essential instrument for any medical kit or household. To set the default Fahrenheit or centigrade reading unit. In power off mode, press the S button for 2 seconds. The unit will appear. Set the desired Fahrenheit or centigrade unit by pressing the trigger button. After selecting the unit, press the S button to save the default reading. For selection of body temperature mode, press the S button for 2 seconds and select body mode, and take a temperature reading of the human body instantly. Beyond human health monitoring, the FT15 offers incredible versatility through its dedicated object mode. In power on mode, press the S button for 2 seconds to activate the object mode. By switching to this mode, the thermometer instantly adapts to measure actual surface temperatures ranging from absolute zero up to 100 degrees Celsius or 32 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. This function is an invaluable tool for baby care. It allows caregivers to quickly and safely check the temperature of baby milk, formula, and bath water to ensure optimal safety and comfort. For long-term health tracking, the Medico FT15 features a robust memory mode. It automatically stores your last 30 measurements. Crucially, it also saves the specific mode icon alongside the temperature, allowing you to accurately track health trends for family members or patients over time without manual logging.